Right now it's raining. In spite of being raining, some boy are catching fish by using their net in front of the hill, because maybe they want to sell in market and they want to earn money. That's why they are catching fish. As you can see, there is a big and beautiful and incredible trees. There is no trees in Bangladesh, but there is only one trees, and you can see there is some beautiful trees inside the India, and there is also a house. It's not house, it's a maybe it's a camp. When the police get free time, that time they have come and they inspect those area. I don't know properly, but it's my thinking. And you can see a car is going in India. There is a lots of trees. I'm very near from India, and I'm seeing this kind of natural beauty, and I want to enter the India, but I can't enter because I don't have any passport. Right now, if I go in India, the police will attack me and they will set me in prison. That's why I want to go. They will confine me. That's why I'm seeing this natural beauty from Bangladesh.